and then I sell Pokemon.
So what?
Pokemon.
Oh, hey. All righty. I've watched it.
She had recently had a stillborn miscarriage. She was dealing with postpartum depression, and she was suicidal.
I want you to be successful on this probation. And from reading this, counsel, I see the issue is really not, of course, this is a crime, but I see that's not the real issue. The real issue is
The 3 clips you just saw, they don't seem to belong in the same courtroom. From selling Pokemon cards to a tragic loss and a judge searching for a real issue. What is actually happening here? This is Lindsay Marie Martinez. She's facing up to 10 years in prison for a 3rd-degree felony. But look closer. Behind the charges is a woman reeling from a stillborn miscarriage and battling postpartum depression. Attorney James Shimoto paints a picture of a life in freefall. While the law demands a conviction, is Lindsay a threat to the public, or is she someone the system simply failed? Her timeline shifts from grieving mother to eBay seller, and now her entire future rests on how the court defines justice. To understand the psychological side of these cases and how judges look beyond the law, hit subscribe and join our community. Let's head inside the courtroom for day 1.
right. The court is calling 2025 CR 013497 State versus Lindsay Marie Martinez. Can I have parties announced?
State.
James Shimoda for the defense.
And are you Miss Martinez?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery and reviewed that with your client?
I believe I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Martinez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Martinez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right, you're charged with prohibitive item in a correctional facility. That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against? I'm sorry, just one second. Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe she was.
Ms. Martinez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine to be probated, and the state is recommending deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
Not ruled upon, no, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be 100 hours community service restitution and the MRT. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer States Exhibit 1 in all attack.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we would just like to point out that at that time, she was going through a very difficult period. She had recently had a stillborn miscarriage. She was dealing with postpartum depression and she was suicidal. I think since then, she's tried to get her life back on track. She's currently taking Zoloft to deal with her depression, but it's sort of an ongoing issue dealing with her mental health issues.
All right. So are you still living with your mom and with the family members?
Yes,
How's everything going with that?
better. Everything's good. Yeah, I've been helping her. I took her to her appointment. She needs quick food.
Okay.
Everything's been getting better.
All right. And are you employed at all or no?
Self-employed. I'm an eBay seller. I sell clothes online as well, and then I sell Pokemon.
So what?
Pokemon.
Oh, hey. All righty. I've watched Pokemon. So how's treatment going for you?
Treatment.
Do you have a counselor or somebody you can talk to?
I want resources to help, like with counseling. I was going to a grief counselor from Any Baby Can, but she wasn't relaying no resources to me.
Okay.
So I
I'm
would really
aware of
love
Any
that.
Baby Can.
Hmm?
I said I'm aware of Any Baby Can, but we're gonna see what we can get you with regards to therapy. I want you to be successful on this probation. And from reading this, counsel, I see the issue is really not, of course, this is a crime, but I see that's not the real issue. The real issue is lack of resources. So we're going to see what we can do with that. So it's going to be $1,000 fine, probated, 2 years deferred adjudication. Probation, I'm going to do field visits one time per month for 8 months, just to check on her to see if there's anything that's needed with regards to any mental health. And probation, do you have any type of therapy for trauma or anything that I can refer her to?
That trauma assessment, and then based on that, I'm on board.
All right, so we'll do a trauma assessment, follow recommendations. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And that is all I'm ordering because that's what the real issue is here. Unless probation, you think there's anything else that needs to be ordered?
Well,
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you need from me?
Thank you for trying to get me resources for mental health. I really appreciate it.
Oh, you're so welcome. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So in this court, communication is key. I want you to be successful. Probation and your attorney wants you to be successful. So if there's an issue, you must let probation know about it and don't fall off, from not reporting or anything, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
You're
Have a
welcome.
good day.
All right, you too.
So the verdict is in. Lindsay walked away with probation instead of 10 years in prison. But here's the question. Was this justice, or did the court go too easy on a felony offense? Comment below, Team Lindsay or Team Prosecution. Was the judge's compassion the right move? If this case got you thinking, hit like. Share this with anyone who loves a deep dive into courtroom drama.